Good morning, everyone present here. Good morning, judges.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Arjun Assis. I'm 20 years old. I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Commerce, specializing in finance and taxation. And I like
something more that you have not written in your resume. You
Something-
already submitted your resume.
Yeah.
So we know your name and your qualifications. Tell us more about you.
I'm an enthusiastic person, and something which I have not written in my resume. Maybe I'm actually an actor. I do act in drama, social dramas, and I've been part of many social dramas. I do write poetry. I write short stories, which is something which is not mentioned in resume.
Which was your recent social drama?
My recent social drama was named Vartamanagam, which was about 5 women from different backgrounds of societies and the struggles they face in this world.
Okay, so how do you conduct it? Where do you conduct it? What is the platform?
It was conducted by one of the most prominent drama team, Nidisha Women's Theatre, which has been based in Trivandrum, and it's conducted in Trivandrum. And
what are the struggles that women face in the business atmosphere? Coming to the point.
First and foremost thing, I believe in a country like India.
I don't want your belief, man. Please, I don't want your belief. We are not here to hear your belief and rituals and acting skills. We are not here for that. Please give me which are the struggles that women face in the business atmosphere.
First one, poor support from the family, lack of funding, proper education, proper training about.
This is the answer from me, the entrepreneurial development.
Of course, yes.
So we don't want that answer. I want that if you are an HR manager, you should know what is happening to your female employees or what are they facing every day when they come or enter your office. How do they feel or what stress they are going through? Do you have any idea about it?
So should I change my answer?
Yes, you should answer to our question. We are not supposed to frame questions for your answer. Please do understand that. You are here to answer to our questions, so you should answer to our questions.
Which is what I've done just now.
What you done? What have you done? What answer proper? Answer appropriate, give us precise answer. You are not here to back answer us. You are here to give proper answer. We just asked you, what are the struggles that women, what are the female workers under in your business organization? We don't want any theory answers in any kind of guidebooks. Please do what we said.
Of course, with all respect, these are the answers. Like most of the women in the society don't have enough fund. They are facing poor support from the family. That's the reason.
See, it is an entrepreneur. I'm asking about your employees. Just your employees. What do you do about your employees? Don't, before you go and look after your society, just look after your employees. Are they happy? What are the problems they face? That is our question. We have a very simple, genuine question. And what are you doing and what do you know what your employees, female employees face? That is our question. Just answer to that.
The answer is just the same, that they are not that much, they were not providing with support from the family.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Are you in a relationship?
No, I'm not.
You have a mother, sister?
Yeah, I have a mother.
Are they working?
Yes.
Who are you, man, to back question me? I really don't understand. I am asking you a question and you are just framing that other question for that question. I just asked, what are the struggles that your mother is facing? I didn't ask you, is your mother a businesswoman? Is your mother running an entrepreneurship? Nothing like that. I just asked you, please learn to answer the question. First, listen to the question. Stop back answering or back question. Answer properly. Otherwise, this is not going to work. You are not here to argue with us. You are here to prove you are the best manager rather than pointing out or giving us a lot of questions back. I just asked a very plain question. Are you mother working? And what are the struggles that she is facing? I didn't ask whether she's a businessman or business manager or what.
He doesn't know about it. He doesn't know what his problems are, what his mother's problems are, what his colleagues' problems are. He doesn't want to know about it. He's not bothered about it. Are you?
If you actually know your mother's problem, then how are you going to face the problems of your employees?
With all respect, can you give me 2 minutes to answer?
Sorry, we don't want that answer anymore, please. We don't want. What kind of? I already gave you time and you were answering from some books. We were asking you for your opinions and you were answering from the books that you learned, right?
Maybe.
You said something about social worker, right?
Yeah.
What kind of a social worker are you?
I work for Nirbhaya Home Trivandrum.
What kind, Monet? I didn't ask you where you work or what are you doing. What kind, K-I-N-D. What kind of a social worker are you?
My kind of social work actually involves protecting the underprivileged girls sexually
abused. Very good. Contradictory statement. Very good. Very good. Yes, come on. Go on. I am giving you 2 minutes. Go on. You have to speak for 2 minutes.
So the Nirbhaya Home actually protects girls who are being sexually abused by the people. I mean, maybe their family members, and they are mentally retarded to some extent. And I got an opportunity to work for them, which I consider as a great privilege. And I do believe that such kind of social work should exist in this environment because we should all be part of people who actually face.
Okay. You are a very good fellow. You are a very good person. You do all these work and you are a very good person. Okay.
Thank you.
How is it helping you in being a good manager? At the end of the day, you are a manager.
A good manager should be a good human being.
Should be. That is a different thing. Everything is different. It's not about what should be. What are you? What are you? Who are you? That is the question here. Who are you? So how can you connect this? We have been asking the same question from such a long time. You can go to the society and you're helping out them. What are you doing for your own colleagues? What are you doing for your own subordinates, female subordinates? That is our question. You're not answering to that.
Okay, I do support them. I still remember.
How?
I still remember one incident when I was like in 11th grade when my friend.
See, you are a manager, not 11th grade. Manager. As a manager, what are you doing for your female subordinates? That's what my question is.
So
now don't beat around the bush. I don't want the past. I want what are you doing in the present. Okay?
So if you opt me as a manager of a firm and considering the struggles of women in the firm, I'll surely give more preference to the women because they have to move up with work and family together.
Would be, should be. This is not the answer. What are you doing?
Why? What are the men doing there? I really don't know. What is so-called family and work? Is this a responsibility of a woman to manage her own family? Is this her sole responsibility?
I haven't said that.
Then work and family, what is, she just have to take care of the work.
No, see, in my family, if you consider...
I don't want to know about your family. You are a powerless social worker. You are a powerless, ultimately powerless social worker. You are a failure, man. Please, you opt for something else. Very sorry.
No, I'm fully confident in what I'm doing, and I do believe that I can be a good manager.
See, I am a good manager is what you have to say. Not I can be. Why are you going to
Possibility, it is possibility in future. Yes.
I am a good manager.
It's a contingency. You have always that if this thing happens, then I'll become a good manager. But you're not now. You're not a good manager now.
Of course I am.
When we asked about your workplace women, you were speaking about your mother's thing. And when we asked about your
You
parents, you
asked a
spoke about...
question about my mother.
It is just because I didn't get any kind of answer. I didn't know. I just wanted to make you answer. So I just gave an opportunity so that you can answer about someone who you know. But you went, as I said, powerless social worker and a powerless manager. Very good.
How can you be a manager to so many female people when you don't even know about your mother's problems?
See, when I started talking about my mother's problem, you
Yes,
said...
we are giving you time. You can talk now. Stop. Backwards. Stop. Question is back. We are giving you time. You can speak now. 2 minutes, please. നമുക്ക് 2 മിനിറ്റ് കൊടുക്കാം. അവന് പറയാനുള്ളത് 2 മിനിറ്റിൽ അങ്ങ് പറയട്ടെ.
Sir, may I please have a valid question? I didn't get you. You're just asking some statements. I don't get you actually.
So what were we actually doing right now?
Okay, right. You want a question. My question is the same question which I'm asking. How are you going to help the female subordinates, your subordinates, as a manager? Because you're not doing anything now. Okay, you will become. So what will you do for your subordinate female? And because you couldn't understand their problems, that is why we asked you about your mother. Okay?
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയാം. നീ ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു മാനേജറാണ്. അപ്പം നിന്റെ കീഴിലുള്ള സ്ത്രീജനങ്ങളായ നിന്റെ എംപ്ലോയേഴ്സിന് നീ എങ്ങനെ അവരെ മാനേജ് ചെയ്യും?
I will provide them with some basic facilities which they need. For example, I believe for example, when a woman is undergoing menstrual
Are you working in a company which does not have the basic facilities? Why do you have to provide the basic facilities? You'll be working in a company where the basic facilities are there. You have to provide something more to them. What is that you can do?
I've heard that there are many companies who just harass girls who are undergoing menstrual cycle, and these companies don't provide them with basic, they pressurize people to do things even during the period when they are physically weak. When I'm a manager of the firm, if a woman is going menstrual cycle, then I will just...
Are you actually asking us to sit at home when we have our periods?
No. I'm not asking. I'm not telling that. I'm just telling if...
I'm just saying that we are physically weak.
No.
Okay, anyways, then you are not a good manager again.
No.
How will you know whether the person is telling the truth or not? You cannot give everyone like this is a normal cycle. This is normal. Okay, there's nothing abnormal about it. So what are you going to do? Like they'll be easily cheating you, isn't it? So you're not a good manager again. That is my point. That you are not a good manager. That is our point. You are not a good manager.
See, if I perform, like I carry myself as a good manager, I do believe that my subordinates will equally respect me and my offer towards them, and they will. I don't feel like if I'm a good manager, they will do something wrong. No, I won't agree with that.
Powerless manager.
Thank you. I like criticizing because it makes me a better manager in future.
How come that? You don't want to hear the criticism. You just wanted to back answer or back question as you don't want anything. You just even don't like India as if he prefers foreign climate for higher education. Because what is that? Foreign climate social service manager is full of contradictory statements. Manager is full of contradictory statements. I must say that you prefer for what is so-called big in foreign climate.
No, being in a foreign climate means you have got much more exposure. As I said, a manager should have like an exposure with all kinds of people. So once I study there, I'll come back to my country, I'll work for my people with a much broader mind.
Oh, that means you don't have a broader mind right now. Yes, you said that. You are a very narrow-minded person who can't even, I don't think even you can adjust the reverse cultural shock that is happening in the foreign climate. Please do understand. Please do understand that. You are a narrow-minded person.
I just said it, I can just draw in more.
What I have understood is Arjun is full of jumlas and jingles. He has made himself around, okay, I am this, I am that, but he's not doing anything regarding it. He has, as a manager, he's a failure. He doesn't know what to do, how to manage.
See, I'm not commenting on this because I don't need
You
to comment.
you don't have to comment on it. You have to prove yourself that yes, you are a good manager. You not even given one incident.
Okay, shall I? So there is this intra-office going on in our college, and my class tutor, out of 59 students, opted me to coordinate the event, representing my class.
Oh, because I had 59 students, other 59. ഈ മൂക്കില രാജ്യത്ത് മുറുമുക്കൻ രാജാവെന്ന് പറയത്തില്ല. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാം കണക്കാ. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരെണ്ണത്തിന് എടുത്ത് പിടിച്ച് ചേർത്ത് വിചാരിച്ചാൽ മതി. Please don't feel very good about it. Please don't feel very good about it.
I do believe that I have a space in my class, in my college, and in my college.
Yes, you have a space in your college. You are a good student.
Everybody.
You are a good student, but you are not a good manager.
Our point is that you are not a good manager. You are a powerless.
You are a good son. You are a good brother.
Totally powerless.
You are a very good student. You are very good at everything, but you are not a good manager.
But I managed the work which is allotted by my class tutor very well till now,
Yes, the
till
class tutor
11:30.
work, something that is happening in the college level. alle? You have to work and explore the world, what is happening outside the world, rather than sitting in 15. You are, yes.
Just see the person.
Just turn back.
Turn back.
Turn back.
He didn't even go to college. He's lived a
59 students. Business world, man. It's
I've
big.
been an intern in one of like Unschool Academy, which is an online academic platform.
Yes, stay. Yes,
We know what
yes.
is
You can be an intern. That's our point is that you cannot be a good manager.
Okay, well, you have been speaking about your social work for the underprivileged girls who have been sexually abused. I would like you to speak about Reshma Saujani, who have organized an organization called Girls Who Code. Can you speak about that? What is
Sorry,
it
I'm
all
sorry.
about?
I don't have an idea, but I'm really sorry.
You want to go outside and explore the world and you don't know even about a...
I'm sorry, I don't know.
Yes, great. Okay, please entertain us. We are bored. Highly bored. Please entertain us.
I'll sing a song.
Yeah?
I'm not a good singer, and I just.
എന്റെ പൊന്നു കുഞ്ഞ് എന്തെങ്കിലും പറഞ്ഞാൽ അത് ചെയ്യാൻ പഠിക്കുക. തീരെ
മധു
ചെയ്യാൻ
പോലെ
ചോദിക്കുന്ന ആരാ? Stop it.
പെയ്ത
We don't want to hear it.
Why are you singing song? You man, you come here for a competition, best manager competition.
But you asked me to entertain you.
We ask, you do whatever you have to do.
I will try to. If I can, I will do. Or else I'll just say I can't do. I'll just openly confess that.
We just asked you to entertain us.
What should I do?
Huh?
So what should I do?
Just dance here.
No, I can't do that.
You can't do that.
No.
Get out.
Thank you.
Yes, very good. Stop it. Don't talk anything back. Just get out.
Thank you,
Just
judges. Thank
get
you.
out. Get